Good morning students, my name is Sudipta Das from Samshi Genesis English School. I am your English teacher. Today I will discuss about noun and its kinds. Okay, so first of all you have to know what is noun. Noun is a naming word. If I want to give a full definition of noun, then I will say that noun is the name of any person, place, material, thing or any feelings and ideas also. Suppose this board, look at this board, this is also a noun. Suppose I take a name John or Priya, this is also an example of noun. Why? Because these are the name of a boy or a girl. Okay, suppose Malda is also the name of a place, so it is also an example of noun. Okay, let's talk about the kinds of noun. How many kinds are there? There are 5 kinds of noun. Okay, first of all proper noun, then common noun, then collective noun, then abstract noun, then material noun. Okay, let's talk about proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is the particular name of any person, place, material, thing, object, etc. Okay, suppose first example here, the telegraph. Okay, the telegraph is the name of a particular newspaper, so this is also an example of proper noun. Then the Ganga is the specific name of a river, so it is also an example of proper noun. Then Ravi, Mukesh, these are also the particular name of any boy. Okay, so Priya, these are also example of proper noun. Suppose India, Brazil, these are also the specific name of country, so this is also the example of proper noun. Then let's talk about common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is the general name of any person, place or thing. For example, boy, girl, country, color, river, these all are example of common noun. Why these are common noun? Look at the proper noun box. Here I have written Ravi, Mukesh. These are the particular name of a boy, of 2 boys. Okay, so what is the common thing among them? Boy. So this boy is the example of common noun. Here India, Brazil, these are the particular name of country. The common thing is country, so country is common noun. Okay, same red, blue, black, these all are the particular name of color, so among them color is common, so color is an example of common noun. Okay, then collective noun. What is collective noun? Noun that refers a group or set of people or animals. Okay, suppose I have 8 keys or 10 keys. When I want to say this 10 keys or 8 keys in a single phrase, then I will say I have a bunch of keys. Okay, so this bunch of keys is an example of collective noun. Here also a gang of thieves, these also a group of thieves. Okay, that is also an example of collective noun. Mob, crowd, assembly, congregation, these all are example of collective noun. Mob, what is mob? A group of people with destructive purpose, that is called mob. Crowd, what is crowd? A group of people without any purpose, that is crowd. Okay, assembly, a group of people gathered where they have a common purpose, that is called assembly. And congregation, a group of people with religious purpose, that is called congregation. So these all are example of collective noun. Then abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is the name of our ideas or feelings. Okay, suppose love, anger, hope, honesty, joy. Why these are abstract noun? Because these are abstract thing. What is abstract thing? Abstract thing is that thing that we cannot touch them. Okay, we cannot see them. These are not visible. We only just feel them. Okay, suppose love. Love, we cannot see the love. Okay, we cannot touch the love, but we feel the love. Anger, Same thing, anger. We cannot see anger, but we feel our anger. So that's why these all are the example of abstract noun. Okay. Then material noun. What is material noun? Material noun is the name of that ingredients which are used to making another different thing. Okay. Suppose gold, silver, cements, steels, woods, etc. These all are the name of materials. Why these are example of materials nouns? Because gold and silver, these are used for making ornaments. Cements, this is also used for making houses or buildings. Steels is also used for making furniture. And woods is also used for making chair, table, bench, etc. So these are the name of ingredients. That's why these are the example of material noun. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found it valuable. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel.